Hello, trying to install a Genie garage door opener for Miss Amanda.
Yep.
She decided she needed a garage door opener for her big garage, her purchase. It's like once in a lifetime opportunity for her that she got herself a first time garage.
Yep.
And 2 air conditioner covers that just came in with the deal. So, got the sunflower heater running for a little while now. It's brought it up to rough, balmy temperature with the wind blowing. Danny's on the way to give us a little hand with this project because he is a master genius at garage door openers. So she got her scoop shovel hanger she got from Romans. She got a table she got from Romans. We got this garage door with a battery backup because why?
If the power goes out here, I can still get in my garage.
Yeah, because there's no side doors. And she's in like the middle. So and she got like a forest on top of her. It looks like it's been leaking a little bit. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to set one of these up. Never pulled one in before. So we'll see how this goes. We brought a lot of tools with. We had some twisted iced tea.
Really?
How's it going?
I opened it the wrong way.
56 pickup.
Yeah.
Danny's gonna show us a dance. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh, 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 ooh. So construction, it's working, I guess. What?
There's so many.
Yeah.
Are these not the same? Then where do they go in the order?
Well, you gotta put them in size or 2.
Nah.
Yeah.
Where
Yeah.
do these ones go though?
Like I should.
You got right over here
These ones
too.
go? I don't know.
So the door braces are 2 feet and not 16 on center. So it does not line up where we got it. So I got this board here found at the landfill. I'm gonna cut that, put some braces in between there, 22 3/4. Man, I went to find a pencil. Danny's having an iced tea. And we're staying warm by the sunflower heater. Five minutes later, we got the door up. 17 hours later, got the door up.
Oh.
And it works great.
It works. Alright, we got the door up, so we're on the bare things, we're going up. Wall-to-wall deal with Little Falls. I've never seen this Cinnamon Toast Crunch cookie mix before. They had a whole bunch of them by Betty Crocker for $1.79 a piece. So I decided to buy one, try it out. You're supposed to try cinnamon dust frosting on them. I didn't have that. They just had these because it was like a liquidation pellet store thing. So got the oven preheating. I need a 1/3 cup of butter and 3 eggs. No, 1 egg. I should read before I tell you, huh? Supposed to make 18 cookies. I can guarantee it ain't gonna make 18 cookies. That lot of cookies big. So I'm gonna get the stuff I need for that and throw them in the oven. It does smell like cinnamon toast. So, need some butter. Gotta push all that butter down and get it all combined. They're not going to be even sizes, so don't be complaining. So while they cool down, I'm gonna try to program the garage door opener for Amanda. We bought that garage door opener. A click button, the universal one did not work. Tried it like 27 times. So returned it and got the one that's for the door. So yeah, we put up that garage door opener our time. Me and Danny did. And it would not work. The remote that she bought. So we bought the same brand name one. Sounds like all I gotta do is hit the program button up there. Pull the little battery tab out of there. And then you have 30 seconds. Stay at least 5 feet away from it. Press and release the remote button of your choice 2 times. The open LED will flash and go off, indicating you have successfully programmed remote. Press and release the same button a 3rd time. The door should go up or down. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Did that actually work? Let's try it again. Ready? That's a lot faster. This garage door does have the battery backup on it too. So the power goes out, you can still get in because there's a cement wall here, cement wall over there. That's pretty nifty that that thing actually does work. The cookies kind of taste like a snickerdoodle. You can tell they must have been pretty good because there's like half of them gone right now.